Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Morning. It's hammock. I did a hammock camp, which my hammock's right there. I wanted to recreate my one of my favorite meals. So I'm gonna do I wanted to remake the or make from scratch the, well, sort of scratch, the hash brown sausage and eggs from Hawkville's I love so much. So I found these at the store. I think they were $1. Idahoan instant potatoes, and I have some bratwurst left over from last night, so I was gonna chop those up, fry them up, and then put the hash browns. And I forgot the eggs because I was gonna buy some Friday night on my way home, but I forgot. And then I didn't want to leave all my gear in the truck. I put everything in the back of the truck. I didn't want to leave it unsecure while I was at Safeway. So no eggs this time, but maybe I'll make it again if I like it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this rehydrating while I go and I mess around with my tarp and hammock. So okay, all right. So the directions on these say 1 cup of water, which I will measure. I like to measure for accuracy. Fish out the floaties. I'm sure floaties have vitamins, but let's see here. Get that in the fire. Alright. I'll let that sit and rehydrate. Alright. I hope it's not too bright for you guys. The sun's out and it's really bringing it, so. I don't know how I should do this. Completely pull it out of its casing. So damn dirt. Alright. Next part of my plan, throw in the hash browns. I was really hoping the sausage would have released enough oil to fry the hash browns. I ended up having to add a little bit more. Getting really low on olive oil. Huh?
Need some ghee.
I need some what?
Clarified butter. Ghee.
Oh yeah. Butter would be awesome in this actually, because it would give it a nice, really nice flavor, but I didn't bring any. Yeah, butter would rock. I gotta say, I think it's looking pretty good. Eggs would have been really nice, but you know, can't be helped. What are you gonna do? It's alright though. Oop, spill some in the fire. Well, the fire gets its share too. It's about done actually. Some ghee or butter would have been awesome in here, but I'll go ahead and call it done. So that's what it looks like. All right, the moment of truth. Let's taste it. Now, I didn't add any seasoning and I didn't add any ketchup. No seasoning at all, really. Yeah, I like that. We got bratwurst. Hash browns. I'm gonna call that a win. So the anonymous Dave was kind enough to give me a little bit of his Mountain House biscuits and gravy to throw on top of this. Oh man. So I'm thinking maybe country gravy on the next one.
Gravy makes everything good.
Sure. Alright, well that was just straight delicious. Clean the pan. I mean, other than a little bit of gravy left over, it's pretty clean. I mean, I could wipe it out with a simple little tissue. It's good to go for the next, so. Get some sunshine. So now I'm kind of debating, do I make the rest and cook the other sausage? But I also want to do another bannock. But I can't do both. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Recommend making this. We were talking, and you know, the hash browns, I think, were 99 cents, and the sausages were like $3.49, so that makes them about 65 cents. So a good meal for under $2. I mean, I think I would definitely bring country gravy next time. And you can get a packet of that for $1. So, you know, for under $3, you have a really good tasting meal. So, and then olive oil I just pulled from my own kitchen, so it's not like I had to go buy any special oil. So, alright. Thanks for watching. Food for thought. Catch you in the next one. Well, as much as I really wanted to eat another bannock, I'll have to save it for next time. I went ahead and just killed off the, I had a little bit more hash brown left over, so I went ahead and just, and one more bratwurst, my last, so I just went ahead and cooked up the rest. And I'll enjoy a blissful morning of food coma. Well, all packed up. Big bag of garbage left by people that we collected. You know, anonymous Dave and I. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Good times. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep a seat by the fire open for you.